2024 has been an exciting year for streetwheelz1 Classic, focused on car spotting. There were plenty of highlights for classic car fans, and we were right in the middle of it. Now it's time for a best of, with amazing car sightings and exciting events. This YouTube channel is still pretty new. It started as a spin-off of the main channel streetwheelz1, which focuses on car spotting and cool cars, especially hypercars and modern vehicles. But over time, it just made sense to create a separate channel for classic cars. And that's how streetwheelz1 Classic was born. We had some great car sightings right in the middle of Swiss cities, especially Zurich, a true hotspot for car spotting. There were so many cool cars, like a Lotus Cortina, Alfa Romeo 2000 GT Veloce, Morgan Plus 4, Porsche 944, Maserati Camsine, MGB GT, and even a rare Jeep CJ 7 Golden Eagle. One of the biggest highlights was spotting a Shelby Cobra right in downtown Zurich. We also came across some abandoned cars. They weren't in typical lost places, but they'd clearly been forgotten. Two old Jaguar models, rusty and half covered with tarps, still had a strange beauty to them. And then there was a Jaguar E-Type V12, standing lonely and abandoned in a parking lot, already covered in a layer of dust. Yet it was still a beautiful sight, as the last rays of the setting sun lit it up perfectly. But streetwheelz1 Classic isn't just a car spotting channel. In February, we also launched streetwheelz1.com, an online car magazine featuring events, special car spotting moments, deep dives into topics, and an event calendar so you never miss out. On our YouTube channel, we also share rare insights. For example, we showcased the restoration process in a classic car workshop, and captured impressions from car events. This year, we attended among others the Geneva International Motor Show, the Swiss Classic World, and the Auto Zurich Car Expo. We also covered various car meets. These included Super Corvette Sunday, the Honda Fan Meet, the Oldtimer in Obwalden event, and the Street Billies V8 Circus, which focused on American cars. In December, we also attended a classic car gathering at the Ace Cafe. We were also present at the Swiss Classic Awards ceremony, an event that highlights the people behind the classic car scene. It honors individuals and teams who work tirelessly to preserve automotive history. This event is essential because it reminds us that the freedoms classic car enthusiasts enjoy today are thanks to pioneers who fought for them. We'll wrap up this recap with impressions from the Rallye du Valais, which showcased many incredible classic cars. Thanks for your support, and all the best for the new year. If you enjoy this content, please support the channel with a like, a comment, and a subscription. Thank you.